Hi boys and girls, I'm inside now and I'm going to try to use my materials to make a bird nest. I dumped them all out from my bag and I did put a plastic tablecloth down because it's a little messy, or you could do this on the driveway. And then I also have a paper plate that I'm going to put the finished product on. I got a little bowl from my kitchen so that I could make the shape. And then I got some old plastic eggs. I thought maybe these could be the baby birds at the end. So I think I'm gonna start with maybe some grass that I picked. And I'm gonna put it in here because this is already the shape of a round nest. Let's push it down. Make it go in the shape of the bowl. I think I'm gonna add some twigs. Might have to break some of the long ones that I had, but put some twigs in there, make it a little more secure. I'm crisscrossing those. Can't wait to see what materials you find and what your nest looks like. I have a pretty good shape now. I'm going to try to move it out onto my plate. Okay. There it is. Let's see what we can add now. Let's add some cushion to it. Maybe some leaves. Some more sticks maybe underneath to keep it moving too much. And I thought this moss was gonna be really nice for cushioning because it has the padding of the dirt, the wet dirt, and it's real soft. So I even thought that could be around it and inside of it to cushion the egg so that it would protect it. I have to make sure I have an opening deep enough in there that the bird could sit in there. So let me see if I just put it around the edges. Hollow out the middle a little bit. Okay. Well, I thought these would be nice and soft flower petals for the bird to lay in. I think I'm going to put it back in my bowl and see if I can shape it again. That nice round shape. Get it a little deep inside. There we go. Okay, try to take it out again. What do you think, boys and girls? I think it's gonna be sturdy enough. Let's try it. I'll put the little part of the egg to make the baby bird's head. And then I also have all these pieces of like an opened up flower petal for one of my trees, but it's real soft. I thought that kind of looked like a baby bird's head too. Put it in there. What do you think? I have a test to do with it, to test to see if it would withhold the wind. I brought my blow dryer down, so let's see how it does. Okay, baby birds, hopefully you're safe in there and I build a good nest. Ready? There goes one. too bad. I think what I need is it to be a little deeper. Let's see if I could do that, and we'll test it again. Okay. Bird in there. Sides a little bit more. Okay, let's try test 2. There we go. Oh no, flew out again. So I don't think that my nest is quite deep enough. I think it failed the safety test, but it was fun trying it. Send me some pictures to show me how yours look and try the little test with the wind and see how your baby bird does.